are we doing today?
Experiment.
And what experiment is it that we're doing?
About science.
Yeah. So what are we trying to find out?
If this piece of plastic is going to get wet or not.
Because what do we need to make at the end of it?
An umbrella.
Who for?
For the squishy.
With the squishy, well done. Okay, so what are we going to do then, Bailey? We'll watch you and you can tell us what you're doing.
I'm going to put this plastic on.
Where's the squishy?
Inside.
Okay.
I'm going to wrap it round.
Yeah.
Then I'm going to tip some water out. I'm going to count it in my head 60 seconds. So not 17.
Okay. Are we repeating this experiment? Is this the second time you've done it? Yeah. How long did you leave it last time?
60 seconds.
The last time was 30 seconds, wasn't it? Is your squishy wet or dry?
Dry.
It's dry. So do you think the cling film would be a good material to make the umbrella out of?
I think so.
You think so? Okay. Right. Are we done?
Yeah.